So how can you cancel follow requests on Instagram on the iPhone? And let's explain that and let's get started with it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. So essentially you need to open up your Instagram and you need to find the person that you want to cancel the follow request, right? So you can find it like this. If it's a request, then obviously it's a private account because public accounts can be followed right away. So well, this is what it kind of looks like when you have requested it, right? And you're going to tap on the request button like that and it will just disappear, right? So it will turn back to the follow button. So you can just like literally switch between it, that back and forth. But when you see the follow button, you have not requested anything. When you tap the follow button, it will switch to a like gray button with the requested text on it, and you can go back by tapping it again. So that's like how you can do this literally for any account. So that's really not much to it, and you should be able to get it done easily. One last thing though, if your Instagram works a bit different, it is possible that you are running not the latest version of the app. So check out the App Store, go to search and look up the Instagram app. And if there is an update available, install the update so we are on the same page and that you are running like the latest version of the app, right? So that's how it works. Let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.